So you'll have to forgive the traffic noise. There's not a great deal I can do about that. This is as far as I've got so far with the boardwalk area. And it's a bit of a wet old day. So I'm taking the opportunity to do the bit that I had to do anyway, which is to dig some holes. I can't continue any further along here. Or more to the point, I don't want to continue until I've got this plumbing sort of sorted out. You can see there where that pipe is running. I've got it sat in that above ground trough sort of area, which is what they had for drainage down the side here. And what it meant after heavy rain is this bottom section down here always ended up being really soggy. So I've just continued that pipe by sort of tucking it under where the boardwalk section is there. I'm going to surround that bit there with a bit of concrete before I put in that next connecting section. I've got it partially dug in there just to stop it from moving around, and then it connects to the original stormwater drain that runs off the house. The thing that I had to make sure of there was that the stormwater pipe and the sewage pipe, you can see, are very close to each other, and I just had to be really sure that I was connecting to the right one. So you can see there I've drilled a hole in there. I can put a little plastic piece over to cover that up later on. And then I came down to where I was pretty confident the pipe was. It was an old clay type pipe, but it still runs out to the road perfectly fine. So I've made up a connecting piece with the PVC there, and the little bit of concrete there is again just to hold it in place whilst I'm reburying everything. You can also see that there's an inspection port there for the sewage line, and just having that hose running through that pipe means that I can check that one and make sure that the water isn't going through there, and go out and listen to the water run off on the road, just so that I can be certain that I'm connecting to the right pipes. A mistake in connecting those pipes, as they say, would be bad.
Don't cross the streams. It would be bad.
So it's worth doing that little test just to double check and make sure that everything's running properly. So now I can fill all this back in so that the next connecting panel can come along. It'll make its way out to the footpath area there. That section of fence panelling that you see there is where the new gate is going to be. The gate itself won't be quite as wide as those panels, but that'll be a job for another day. So that's the primary structure sorted out. The rest of it up towards the end there I'll finish off once I get the granny flat built. You can see there how I've got the white stone in place for the little garden section. That sort of finishes it off nicely. I'll be doing the same thing up the side of the house here to hide those pipes and some other bits and pieces once that's all tidied up as well. I just need to put in some dividing pieces so that the stones don't spread out underneath the house, and that'll finish off that section as well. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with the way it's come out. There's a couple of finishing touches needed here or there just to get it all looking right. But that'll be the update for this time, guys. Thanks for watching. Talk to you next time.